Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment and loading a sample file so you can inspect it immediately. Open Jupyter, select the correct kernel, and import pandas and numpy to read your file. This gives you structured access to rows and columns. Once done, use PD read CSV file. CSV with parsing options to preserve dates and types. Inspect head, info, and describe to understand missing values and data types. Knowing this early prevents wasted cleaning later. Now you clean and transform so analyses are reliable. First, handle missing values strategically. Drop rows for throwaway noise or fill with medians or domain-specific defaults for continuity. Then convert types, dates via PD. To data time, numerics with to numeric to enable time series and math operations. Once types are stable, create derived columns and use Group B and AG for summaries. Vectorized pandas operations run far faster than iterative loops. This step shapes your data for model. Finish by analyzing, visualizing, and exporting results so your work is reproducible. Create plots that highlight distributions and time trends, then run pivot table or rolling calculations to reveal patterns. Once satisfied, export clean datasets with to CSV or to pickle and save visual outputs. Make sure to document each transformation in markdown cells so you or teammates understand the logic. If something breaks, rerun cells top to bottom with a smaller sample to catch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.